Notion just turned your workspace into an AI agent hub. Here's why it matters. Imagine a single page splitting open, each fragment spawning a specialized AI bot that instantly drafts notes, pulls data, or updates tasks without you lifting a finger. This is the new command center for knowledge work. These agents aren't just chatbots, they're purpose-built workers that can research a topic across the web, synthesize findings into a brief, generate polished copy in your brand voice, query databases, and trigger downstream automations, all from within the same Notion page you already edit. You can even chain multiple agents together, letting one hand off its output to the next, creating a seamless, zero-click workflow that adapts as your project evolves. The impact is immediate. Teams report cutting routine task time by up to 40%, eliminating the constant context switching between apps, and empowering anyone, no coding required, to delegate grunt work to AI. This democratization turns every Notion user into a micromanager of intelligent agents, boosting overall productivity without adding complexity today now. Looking ahead, Notion plans to open an agent marketplace where developers can publish custom bots, enable cross-app actions with tools like Slack and GitHub, and enforce enterprise-grade security controls. As the underlying LLMs evolve, your workspace will become an ever more intelligent command center that grows with your ambitions and beyond. Notion has evolved from a simple note-taking app into an AI agent hub, letting you embed autonomous agents directly inside any page. These agents can read your content, write new material, and automate tasks without leaving the workspace. Think of it as giving each Notion page its own team of AI helpers. Creating an agent starts with a simple /command where you name it, write a prompt that defines its behavior, and attach tools like web search, database queries, or integrations with Slack and GitHub. Once saved, the agent lives on the page and can be invoked instantly to draft, research, or automate based on your instructions. In the official announcement, Notion shows a page split view. The left side holds your notes while the right side runs the agent, surfacing results in real time. This visual makes it clear that AI agents aren't a separate app, they're embedded, interactive components that turn any workspace into a live command center. Imagine a project board where every change in the underlying database instantly triggers an AI agent. The agent reads the update, determines the new status, and writes it back to the task card, no manual clicks needed. On the left you see the board before the change, on the right, the agent updates the status in real time, keeping the whole team aligned. Picture a research page filled with links to external articles. With a single command, an AI agent visits each URL, extracts the core insights, and compiles them into a concise summary. The left side shows the raw links, the right side displays the agent-generated summary, instantly turning scattered sources into a ready-to-use brief. Envision a customer support ticket queue where agents often repeat the same answers. An AI agent tied to the company's FAQ database scans the incoming query, finds matching knowledge base entries, and drafts a polished reply in the brand's tone. The left side shows the raw ticket, the right side displays the AI-crafted response, ready for the human reviewer to send. First, make sure AI agents are turned on for your workspace. Go to Settings and Members, select the AI tab, and toggle the AI agent switch on. Only workspace admins can enable this feature, and it may take a few minutes to propagate across all members. Once enabled, you'll see the new /agent/command appear everywhere in Notion. With the feature active, create your first agent by typing /agent on any page. Give it a clear, descriptive name, like Research Assistant, and pick an icon that matches its role. In the prompt box, write a concise instruction set that defines what the agent should do, its tone, and any constraints. You can also set who can run the agent and adjust the creativity temperature if needed. Next, connect the agent to the data it needs. In the Agent Configuration panel, click Add Tool and choose a Notion database, web search, Slack, GitHub, or any integration you've installed. Select the specific database or integration, map the relevant fields, and save. This gives the agent the ability to read, write, or trigger actions based on your workspace content. Finally, Test the agent to ensure it works as intended. Invoke it by typing it followed by its name or clicking a button you've placed on the page. Review the output, then refine the prompt, adjust permissions, or tweak the connected tools if needed. Save each iteration as a version, and monitor usage in the AI tab to see how often it's being used. Notion's AI Agent Hub cuts repetitive work by letting specialized bots draft notes, pull data, and update tasks instantly, saving teams up to 40% of routine time. By embedding agents directly in pages, you eliminate app switching and create seamless, zero-click workflows that keep projects moving forward without manual overhead. Adopting AI agents isn't frictionless. Teams face a learning curve to craft effective prompts and manage permissions, raising onboarding time. Privacy-sensitive data may leave the workspace when agents call external LLMs, and advanced usage tiers add subscription costs that constrain budgets, especially for smaller teams. Looking ahead, Notion plans to unleash multi-agent collaboration where bots hand off work to one another, enabling end-to-end processes like research to draft to review. Deeper API access will let developers build custom agents and embed them in external tools, while an agent marketplace could spark an ecosystem of specialized AI workers. Ready to see the hub in action? Hit subscribe, grab a free trial of Notion AI agents, and start building your first agent today. Transform your workspace into a true AI command center and stay ahead of the curve. Don't miss out on the future of work. Join thousands of creators already boosting productivity with AI-powered Notion.